Here we have a unique long case clock by Daniel Delander, an important maker who worked for Thomas Tompion and later did work for George Graham. Daniel Delander created a new form of escapement, and it's known as a duplex escapement. The duplex escapement uses a 1-second pendulum, but it beats every 2 seconds. He achieves that by having 2 escape wheels. The very interesting thing about this clock is that it's a complete one-off. It's a special commission. It was commissioned for the Duke of Chandos, who at the time was one of the wealthiest men in England. He spent massive amounts, huge sums of money on the restoration of his home, some £200,000 in the early 1700s. And this clock was a commission to Delander from him. He wanted the very best. This new escapement, there are some 11 in existence. This is the only one with gilt mount, silver dial, with the ivory to the dial as well. It's also year calendar, equation of time, moon phase, age of the moon. Interestingly as well, Chandos couldn't pay Delander for the work when it was completed. So Delander decided that he ought to do something about it, and he took him to court. He won the case, and interestingly the judge actually ruled that a lottery should fund the clock. So 50 people were invited to come along and invest £10, and then a name was taken from those 50. For £10 they would then own the clock. So in actual fact the clock in reality cost £500. To put that into context, a clock by George Graham, a long case clock by George Graham in a walnut case, we know cost around about £17 or £18 around about the same time. And we know that because we have an original bill of sale on a Graham that we had some while ago. This clock is stunning, fabulous, beautiful in every way, from the gilt mounts to the ebonized fruitwood veneers, the panels, the study and the style of the top, the dial. It just has lots and lots of unique features that is wonderful to see, not only on the outside, but to an academic in the movement itself, with duplex escapement, 2 escape wheels, made around 1715. A delight.